Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI PRO MP275QPG is a 27-inch WQHD monitor with integrated VESA mini PC mount. So friends, the MSI unveiled the new 27-inch monitor designed for office and the home office setup, and the monitor is ready to use screen and PC combo all in one tidy package. The panel is where it starts. It is a IPS display with WQHD resolution and 100 Hz refresh rate. That means smoother motion compared to standard 60 Hz HD panel, and which can feel slightly chopped, and specifically if you switch between spreadsheet and video calls. And MSI rated at response time of 1 millisecond, which help reduce ghosting during fast moving content, and you will get up 300 cadmium per meter square of brightness and 1300 gem1 contrast ratio, and plus 178-degree viewing angle horizontally and vertically, and the screen non-glare coating keeps reflection down, and it is treated to cut flicker and flicker out blue light. Both features aim to reduce eye strain during long work days, and there is even IQ check feature built in, which walk you through elevating your posture and how tight your eyes feel. So friend, the stand is fully adjustable, and the VESA plate on the back panel that lets you mount a mini PC directly behind the display, and the connectivity option: one DisplayPort 1.2, two HDMI 2.0 port, headphone jack, and 2-watt stereo speaker. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.